Hey, like always, it's Violity, and this video is the top 5 iClever keyboards, 60 seconds each, pros and cons of each one. This is the iClever BKO3 trifolding keyboard case for about $33 off Amazon. This one is more so just your basic keyboard. It comes in a protective case. It's pretty top notch. It's trifolding. It's made of steel grade aluminum. You can connect it with 3 different devices. It's a pretty good device for a small compact keyboard. It's not full size, but for the price point, the build material, this is a good entry level device. Like I said, you can pick this off Amazon for about $33. So if you like having a small portable keyboard, if you like to use your iPad, connect it with 3 different devices, computer, tablet, whatever you want to say, this would be a good alternative instead of getting keyboard case an all-in-one, just for the simple fact you can put it in your pocket, you can bring it with you wherever you go, you can connect with 3 different devices. It's your basic starting out entry-level device. This is the iClever BKO5. This is my current go-to folding keyboard I keep with me wherever I go, whenever I travel with my Mini 6. This is the perfect device. It's a full-size folding keyboard. It's tri-folding. It is backlit. It does a little bit of everything. Granted, it's big, it's bulky, it's heavy, but this is the most premium folding keyboard case you could have with you. Just for the simple fact, it is the best of the best. You can connect up to 3 different devices. You can do this, that, and everything else. Personally, this is my go-to. This is my favorite device. The typing experience is good. I do a lot of WordPress. This is the perfect typing experience to take with me on the go. It's a full-size keyboard. It's backlit. Granted, it is heavy. It's bulky. The most expensive one you can get out of all 5 of them, but this is my personal favorite, and this one is king. This is the iClever BKO8. You can currently pick this off Amazon for $50. This one is the only keyboard with a trackpad. You're still given the amazing carrying case, the typical accessories with it, but this device, if you want an actual real trackpad attached to your keyboard, this would be a good device for it. It is a little bit of a smaller keyboard. That is also a pro and con. So if you want a light keyboard that's portable, you can put in your back pocket with a trackpad. You can connect it up to 3 different devices. This would be the go-to device for that. Trackpad functions just like a normal mouse. You do not have multi-touch gestures that clicking, dragging, scrolling up, scrolling down will be your only options with this device. So if you want a mouse replacement that's attached to a smaller keyboard, this would be a good device for you, just for the simple fact that it would be all in one. It's easier, there's less cables, you don't have to worry about mouse or trackpad, just for the simple fact that it's all connected. So if you want that in your workflow, this would be a perfect device for you. This device is the iClever BKO6. You can pick this off Amazon right now for about $33. So if you want a keyboard that's split, that's not your typical QWERTY layout, this would be a perfect device for that. It's small, it's compact, it's easy to handle, it's easy to carry around with also. But the selling point about this device is the simple fact that this keyboard is split. You have a hard fake leather material on the outside, charges via micro USB, iClever name on the outside, you open it up, it's a split keyboard. Granted, muscle memory will take a little bit of time to get used to it, readjust to the typing experience but I've used this for about a month or 2 now, and my typing experience has been pretty good. It's strong, the magnets won't go anywhere, but this typing experience is really top notch. Granted, there's a huge gap in the middle. If you do like split keyboards, that is a thing. Some people like that niche. This is a good, well-rounded device for that. This is the BKO6 Mate. It shares the same name as the last keyboard, but this one's a little bit different. If you want a entry-level, full-size folding keyboard, this would be a perfect device for that, because you can pick this off Amazon for about $33, just like the last one, the other BKO6, but this one is a full-size keyboard that's smaller, it's lighter than the BKO5, which that's almost double the price, double the weight, but you are given a full-size keyboard. It's not backlit, it's small, it's light, it's thin, you can put it in your pocket, it's easier to manage. So this would be a very good device. So for an entry starting point for a full-size keyboard for a cheap price, this would be a major go. The typing experience is pretty good, it's pretty top-notch, and it's a good bang for your buck, for your wallet. So I can recommend this. This would be my second favorite keyboard case from iClever. So in summary, with all 5 keyboards, this is a quick overview of each one. So preferably with BKO3, if you just want a small, light, compact keyboard, this would be a good device for that. BKO5, if you want a full full-size keyboard that's backlit, it's heavy, more expensive than the other, this would be a good keyboard. The BK08 is more so if you want a trackpad as a mouse replacement. That's an all-in-one with your keyboard. For the BK06, the first one, if you want a split keyboard, perfect small keyboard. If you want the BK06 Mate, if you want a full-size QWERTY bifolding keyboard, $30 off Amazon. It's light, it's compact, it's easy to put in your pocket and go. It's a good device for that. But each keyboard caters to a certain audience or a different individual who might want it for a different use. But pros about all these keyboards are they are pretty well built. It's iClever, it's a good brand. So like always, I'm your host, VLD. Smash that bell and subscribe.